Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix battery drain on iPhone. Battery drain is a common issue many iPhone users often face, but with a few adjustments, you can significantly improve your battery life. That said, check out these best tips and tricks to fix the battery drain problem on your iPhone. So first off, I will recommend you to check the battery usage on your iPhone. Start by identifying apps that are draining your iPhone's battery. To do so, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and then select the battery option. And then you have to review the battery usage by each app. If certain apps are consuming more power than expected, consider reducing their usage or updating them for better optimization. And then I will recommend you to enable the low power mode on your iPhone. When your battery is running low, enable low power mode to reduce background activity like downloads and mail fetching. You can activate it by going to the Settings app and then choosing the battery option and then turning on the toggle right next to low power mode. Besides, you can also activate it through the control center. This is a quick and effective way to extend the battery life on your iPhone. Next up, I would recommend you to reduce the background app refresh on your iPhone. Background app refresh allows apps to update content in the background, but it can also drain your battery. Therefore, I will recommend you to take control of it. To do so, just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone and then select the General option. And then select the background app refresh option. And then you can either turn it off completely or limit it to Wi-Fi only. Next up, I will recommend you to disable location services on your iPhone. Location services can drain your battery quickly. To manage this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and then select the Privacy and Security option. And then choose Location Services. And then you can turn it off entirely or disable it for specific apps that don't need your location constantly. Next up, I would recommend you to adjust the screen brightness and auto lock on your iPhone. Lowering your screen brightness and reducing the auto lock time can also conserve battery on your iPhone. To adjust brightness, just swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center, or you can go to the Settings app and then choose Display and Brightness. Additionally, you can set auto lock to shorter interval under Settings, Display and Brightness, and auto lock. And then I will recommend you to turn on push notifications. Push notifications require your iPhone to constantly check for new data. To save your battery, go to the Settings app and then choose Notifications and then disable notifications for non-essential apps. And now is the right time to update apps on your iPhone. Outdated apps can cause battery drain due to inefficient coding or compatibility issues. Therefore, make sure to update all apps on your iPhone. To do so, just launch the App Store app on your iPhone and then tap on your profile. And then you have to scroll down to see the list of all the apps that need to be updated. And now you can update all apps at once or do it one by one. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone. If your iPhone is still draining a lot of battery, it would be better to go for the software update because I suspect that the issue could be due to a software bug. To do so, just launch the Settings app on your iPhone and then choose General. And then select the software update option. And then you have to download and install the latest update. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix battery drain problem on iPhone. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.